Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. So I have got asked this question more than a million times. Well, million would be a lot, but yeah, this is the most asked question on my channel, that can a person with non-IT background come into IT, or can a person who has non-IT background can become a data analyst? So I'm gonna answer this question, but before that I want to know what you would like to know about it. I know you must have your own answer with it. So if you have that answer, you will know that yes, you can enter into IT industry. Anybody can enter into IT industry. It's just that if you have faith, if you have resilience, if you really want to come into IT, then you can come into IT. But yes, there are things that a lot of people think that any role with coding would be scary. So that is not the thing. If you are learning development, if you're learning to code, if you're learning to program, you must know that programming is an essential part of IT industry. But even if you don't know about the coding, or even if you're not interested in coding, you will find a way in IT sector. So there are jobs that are solely depend on the development. Then there are jobs that requires less of coding, which like mine is. Sometimes I have to code, sometimes I don't. Like I don't have to code end to end, but yes, there are certain times that I need to code. So I know coding. But then there are jobs that are solely not for coding. So if you are a person who thinks that you are scared of coding and you don't really want to get into that, so there is always a way in the IT sector. But what you need to do is you have to have that passion for learning the things, learning the applications, learning the cloud. So everything in IT is not just about coding. There are things that are way more than coding and does not require you to code at all. So it depends if you're ready to take that challenge, if you're ready to dive into deep this thing, so then you will find a way out there. So yes, my answer is obviously you can enter into the IT industry if you are from non-tech background. If you are starting to prepare now, I'm sure after a month of 4 to 5, you will eventually realize that this is way easier than what you have been preparing for. Like I know a lot of people who have done a lot great in their studies but are scared of computers and the things like that. But I would suggest you to not be like that, because the technologies are evolving, everything is turning into a digital thing. So if you are not ready to take that challenge, I'm sure you will eventually realize that this was actually very important for your growth. Even if you don't become an IT engineer, then you will require to know the things on computer, how to handle application, how to do anything. For example, if you're a videographer, even then you will have to have the knowledge of all the latest tech that will help you in your career growth. So do not be scared of it. So yeah, this was it. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any query, suggestion or doubt, write it in the comment section below. I would highly appreciate your time in writing such comments. Bye bye for now, until we meet next time.